Please subscribe, like and share. Press the notification bell so that you will be the first to know when I upload. Hello guys, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. I'm going to cook today stew with fresh tomatoes. This is fresh tomatoes. This is red pepper. This is the meat. I'm going to parboil it. I'm cooking soup and stew today. The meat I am using for the stew, the soup is in here. As you can see, you have to wash here before you put them because it was blocked, so I have to defrost it. So first I have to put the stew, the meat I have to boil, put thyme inside and all. You see, the meat for the stew is done. Yeah, now we have to fry, but I don't fry this. I fry the beef and the chicken. The turkey I'm going to fry too. The beef I'm going to fry too. Okay, let's put our oil in the pan. Tomatoes is ready. The tomatoes, the red pepper and the onions I'm using, they are ready. We are frying the chicken, but this will not fry the towel, the shaki. We are not frying the shaki. We are not frying the pomo. We are not frying the kill and point. We are not frying the beef. We are frying the beef. Sorry, we are frying the gizzard. We are not frying the pomo, but we are frying the turkey. We fry the turkey and the chicken. Okay. You have to turn. You have to have like a long. You need to turn because it's very. I love this. It was a gift for me. It's very risky, please. You have to be careful. Now I'll finish turning them. When we are using something to turn, you have to be careful. You see, it could have just burst on my body. You see, I have to remove them. It's okay this way. The second batch, that is the first batch. So we're not frying the pomo and the chicken as well. So now I'm ready to blend it. Tomatoes, these are fresh tomatoes. There's the fresh pepper. I've sliced it, I diced it. There's the onions that I diced here. This scotch bonnet pepper. So I'm going to blend up by putting it in there in the blender. I don't want to use water to blend the tomatoes. I diced like 2 inside the blender. You blend the water, you use it to grind the rest. Okay, yeah guys, I blend the first batch, but I put the remaining one here. I leave little inside to grind the rest. Wisdom guys, wisdom. See, I'm through with the grinding. I'm through. Add the oil to the pot. I blend the tomatoes. Wait for the oil to bleach. Now I'm going to dice my onions. Now that the oil is bleached, I'm going to add this tomato paste, which is Gino tin tomatoes paste. Yeah, the onions I diced and the L'Oreal leaf. like to add curry this time. Fine. A bit of garlic, the tomato paste, stir until it dissolves. After finish stirring for a minute, now we add the tomatoes paste that the tomatoes we blended. We add it to it. Now we're going to cover it for it to boil for like 10 to 20 minutes. So the stew is okay this way. Now we have to put our meat inside. Now the pomo, the shaki and gizzard and all, you have to put them inside. I didn't fry the pomo because in my stew I don't like to fry pomo. It's true guys, you just cover 10 minutes, it's okay. Cover it down 10 minutes, is okay. So it's boiling. Now the stock meat I'm adding it. Yes guys, that is it. Like, subscribe and share please. The stew is okay. Yeah guys, the stew is okay this way. Bye guys, subscribe, like and share. Love you.